Okay, this is my first video on TikTok. I'm Utah Valley Permaculture, or Permaculture Design School. How many of you guys care about the planet? In case you didn't know, nature is our life support system. And here I'm sitting with my mints and so many different kinds of bees, of all different shapes and sizes. And my favorite little orange bumblebee that I love so much. She's my favorite little bumble. And then so many other tiny. These are all native bees of different kind. They are, you see, different shapes, different sizes, different colors. Another kind of bumblebee right there. And they're all very important because all of nature takes care of us. Takes care of our air, our water, how much we get or don't get, the trees, the plants. All of nature takes care of us. And if you sit here long enough, you can count so many different kinds of insects that love to pollinate these mints. The honeybees will take it back to their hive and make honey. The other bees take it back to their hive. There's my favorite little orange bumble. Hello, beautiful. Where did you go? There she is. And it's just beautiful to see these. But nobody cares that the way we live is so selfish that we're killing these off. We're killing off nature. We're cutting down all the trees and all the life in the forest. That helps us get water, cleans our air of all our pollution we make. That's what's happening. And we're not paying attention. We need to pay attention. I thought I'd share just one little aspect in nature. These amazing little bees of all different sizes and shapes and colors. So you guys can see there's a lot to life. But nobody's paying attention as they're dying off. And it's all a chain. All chain of links in the chain of life. All these little guys are part of the chain of life. And when these links in the chain of life die, we're one of the links too. And it'll all affect us because we didn't care about these little bees. These little tiny bees. We didn't care enough to protect them. And that's really sad. So think about it the next time you do anything. How is that affecting our life support system here on the earth? And come watch and learn more how you can actually put the ecosystem back together and save these guys and all the other important elements in life at permaculturedesignschool.org. And with the U of U student, we're going to start a how-to book for dummies to put ecosystems back together. So look for that and share this, please, with all the youth.